guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And let's get started. I guess today I'm going to be trying out a bunch of new products that I purchased and received as well. So yeah, enough of me blabbering and let's get started. So the first thing that I want to use, I don't think I have any new like moisturizer or anything for my face. So I'm going to use the combination of these two. It's the pre-release Blue Lotus moisturizer. I'm going to put a tiny bit of this on my dry spots. See, like, it's like the tiniest amount. I didn't mean to flick you guys off. Yeah. So I'm just going to put some on my chin and right in this area. For some reason, my chin's been really dry lately, so I'm going to put that all over. And I'm going to use the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This is a new thing, but I already tested this out on my channel before, so let me actually put my bunny ears on. But yeah, I'm going to put tiniest amount of this, little like droplet, and put this on my forehead. This is one of my favorite primers. I used to say that like primers don't really do anything on your face, but this one, I can definitely tell the difference. Like if I wear it and not, like my foundation will last all day, especially when I'm at work for hours at a time sweating, especially right now in the summer. It like grips the foundation really good. So for the foundation, I'm going to be trying out, I tried this a couple times before. I think like once or twice, but this was a long time ago, so technically it's a new thing to me once again. So it's the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. And let me see if I can find the color. Yeah, I don't know. There's no color name on this. So, yeah, sorry. Oh, no, actually 410. That's the shade 410. So I'm going to put like a little bit of this foundation on the back of my hand. It's very liquidy, you guys see. And from what I remember, I'm pretty sure this foundation is like a light to medium coverage. And yeah, I'm going to put this all over my face. Ooh, okay. The color is pretty good. Yeah, the coverage of this is really good so far. I have foundation lips. Yeah, I really like the coverage of it. It's not like full coverage, but it still gives me a decent coverage to cover up most of my like blemishes. So that's cool. This foundation is definitely more on a dewy side. So if you really like matte and like matte foundation, I wouldn't really recommend this, but I do like the coverage, especially for summertime. I feel like it's really good because I tend to wear more of dewy foundations in the summer and then matte foundations in winter. For some reason, in summer, I don't really get oily. My skin gets really dry, but it's probably from like the sun and constantly just like washing my face. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna even need another like layer. Like, this looks really good so far. So that's for the concealer. And I just recently bought the ColourPop No Filter Concealer at my Ulta. So this is the concealer, the packaging. The shade is Fair 02. So I'm hoping this is not going to be too light for me or too dark. This is the packaging. It's the first time I'm actually ever using this. It was $6.50. And then I really like the packaging like this. It's like a frosted glass. It's cute. So when you open it, it has a typical doe foot applicator like this. Yeah, let me try this out. I'm gonna put a little bit. Ooh, it might be a little bit too light. Yeah, that is definitely too light. But the coverage of it so far, like when I'm applying it, it seems very full coverage. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to purchase a darker shade, but we'll see how this is gonna blend out. Ooh, it has a nice coverage. Oh my god, I really love this. like the cover of this. Let me just move my mirror a little closer to me. Like, it's not so, like, completely, like, matte, but it's just, like, so blurring, and it just looks so soft, like velvety. It's a weird description for a concealer. And it blends in really easily. Oh, wow, did I just find my new, like, favorite concealer ever? Because, wow, I really like the coverage of this concealer. That's beautiful, guys. I really, really like that. This, I'm gonna rate this, like, 10 out of 10. Like, this is really good. Alright, yeah, I really like the coverage of this concealer. I actually removed some of my foundation of my lips. For the powder, I do not have a new powder, but I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, my all-time favorite loose powder. I use this every single day. So I usually put it in the pan, and then I take the back of my Morphe sponge, like this flat side right here, and I just kind of press it into my skin. I like using this technique so much better than using a brush, because it just kind of presses the, you know, the pigment and the foundation in and the powder. Ah, crap nuggets. My dumbass forgot to use these two new products. Alright, let me see if I can try to use this over top of the... This is like a blush. And I had a cream contour stick from Anastasia. It's like a stick foundation. I would do this when I'm testing out a new video and then I forget to use two of the new products that I have. Great. Alright. Well, what I wanted to use this for anyway, I don't really contour my cheeks with this, but I do want to, like, define my, like, jawline with this. It's be a little too much. And I'm gonna just try to, like, blend this in. We look snatched. Alright, I like this. It's very easy to blend. I'm gonna try to, like, contour my jawline a little bit. Oh yeah, too bad I couldn't do this all over my face. That would have been, like, good to try out. Maybe in the next video for you guys. Oh, my dumbass just forgets. Alright, so that's for that. For the bronzer, I'm going to use, you know, the typical Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm going to just bronze up my face a little bit. Contour, like, underneath my chin. Cute. And then I'm going to try to see if this works over top of a powder or not. If not, my bad, guys. This is the everything. Or maybe I could take my sponge. You know, like, put this on my sponge so it's not too harsh on my face since we already put the powder on. Yeah, I feel like this is kind of working. Not too, it's like not too harsh, but you can definitely see it. That's cute. Alright, this kind of works over top of a powder. Yeah, I like that. It's cute, subtle. Not my favorite, though. I mean, it'll do its job. Maybe I should try this out before I apply the powder, but it's okay. I mean, I'm not sure how much this costs, but yeah, not my fave. And then for the blush, well, actual, like, blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Twinkle Pink blush. It's a little dirty. So then I'm going to use my Luxe brush. I'm going to tap that in. Ooh, it has a lot of cake back if I tap on it. It has a little bit of shimmer in it as well. I'm going to try to just put that on top. Oh, that's intense over top of that cream blush. Oh, God. Ooh. Alright, let me take a little bit of my bronzer and just kind of, not bad. I don't mind that at all, actually. Lip pencil, lashes. Okay. And then I also purchased the Makeup Revolution Duo Brow Definer, like this, in medium brown. So I'm going to open this up. I freaking hate when they put little sticker things on, because I can never freaking open this shit. And then this end, little spatula. So I just tinted my brows like I said earlier. So it's going to be so easy to actually fill my brows in with this. I'm just going to try to just fill them in a little bit. I really like this brow pencil so far. Then again, Makeup Revolution is a really amazing brand, and everything that they make is really good. Mine is like their eyeshadow palettes. Those are not really my like favorite, but highlights, brow products, foundations, concealers, even like powders and stuff like that, they kill. This is what I mean, like once I like tint my brows, it's so much easier to like. Alright, this is the final product for my brows. Cute. I like it. It's so much easier filling them in like this than without it. Recommend this. I believe it's $5 at Ulta. Total dupe for like the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil. Well, no, not Brow Wiz, the Brow Definer. Highly recommend. And then for the highlight and the eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to use this. It's the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. It's the palette. It's such a cute packaging. I like this. So when you open it, mine actually came cracked. I received this in my Ipsy bag, and when I opened it, it was cracked, so I had to repress the highlight, and it got all over, so it's a little messy. It's still a little messy. But this is the palette. It's cute colors. But this is the highlight that came in broken, so I had to, like, you know, put some alcohol in it and press it again, which was sad. But yeah, I'm going to try this out for you guys. We're going to use that highlight and the eyeshadow palette. So for the highlight, I'm going to use the, you know, my typical Morphe brush. Oh, okay, it has like a pink undertone. Ooh, I like both of them. These are the colors. Cute. I really want to try this one right here, but I feel like it might be a little too dark. But you know what? That is pink. I did not want to go for like a pink highlight like this, but I mean, I'm glowing though. I really like that, but I'm not really going for like a pink highlight today, so let me try to put my Anastasia Amrezy highlight on top of that. Alright, whatever. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. It looks really pretty though on the camera. Like in person it's much more pink than on the camera, how it's showing right now, but whatever. We're just going to go with it. So then for the eyes, you know, I'm going to start doing the eyes, I guess. I don't know what color should I do. What do you guys think? I really want to do something yellow, but then I also have a new Buxom lipstick that I want to try out. Let me check the color of the lipstick. So I really want to try this Buxom lipstick that I received. But like, I don't know if the color's going to go with it. I really want to use it, you know what I mean? I'm going to take this Luxie brush in 249, and I'm going to grab this color right over here. This light brown. Blending this. Ooh. I like it so far. The color, it blends really nicely. It's not like too harsh or patchy, so pigment on this. It's not too harsh, but it's blending out really nicely. It's not like sticking to certain spots on my eyelids. I like that so far. And I'm going to take that darker shade that's right next to it. Just layer that on top, up a little bit lower. This one's getting a little bit grabby. Like, oh, I really like that. That was so easy to blend and everything. Really like that. I'm gonna cut out my cut crease and put that green color on top. I'm gonna use this concealer, put a little bit back of my hand. I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush that usually comes with their palettes. It's this flat end, and it's so good to like when you want to apply a pigment on, like a cut crease or whatever. I'm gonna use a little bit of Fix Plus. Hopefully there's no too much fallout with this. And I'm gonna pack that on. Ooh, I like this color. I mean, it's not as shiny as I want it to be. Oh, maybe the side is. I like that. It's cute. There's a little bit of fallout. I really like that palette. It's pretty cute. If you guys are interested in buying this, then yeah, I would recommend it. I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to purchase this. Like, the quality of it is not like, holy crap, like, I want this. But if you know, support Laura Sanchez and like, you think this is cute, then yeah, definitely buy it. I mean, the price of it's okay. You know, it's not terrible, but not my favorite. You know what I mean? Couple things left. I actually received my influencer box. Alright, so I received this in my mail. It's the influencer box with Buxom. And I received this Buxom lipstick and mascara. I never tried anything. I think I tried one lipstick from Buxom, but it wasn't like this. So let me try out the mascara. This is the mascara. It's the Lash Mascara in Black is Black. When you open it up, this is the mascara. Open it up. This is a wand. I don't know if I'm going to like these. I usually don't like mascara that has like a wand like this, but let's try it. Doing this job. I mean, it's kind of hard with mascara. I would have to try it out a little bit more. Yeah, I don't like this too much. It's not making my lashes as long as I want them to be. Like, I feel like if you wear fake lashes, then, yeah, I mean, whatever. Like, you can use this, but it's not the greatest mascara ever. Yeah, it's not giving me, like, the length and the volume I want. Like, it's really not really doing anything to my lashes, to be honest. And I have pretty, like, yeah, I don't think I would recommend this mascara to you guys. I mean, unless you already bought it and have it, then yeah, all fun and games, but nah, I'll pass for $22. Bye, bitch. I'm sorry, Buxom. Like, I love your lipsticks, but the mascara, trash. So, and then I have the Tarte lashes. It's the first time I'm trying out Tarte lashes. These are $12 and the style Heartbreaker. Ooh, these are really pretty. These are the lashes. Alright guys, I put the lashes on. These are so beautiful. I think these are my new favorite lashes. I've been looking for like a really like dramatic wispy pair for such a long time, and I think these are my new favorite lashes. I totally recommend this. For $12, it's not even that expensive, and you know, they last a while if you take care of them and clean them, but I really like them. They're so pretty. Alright, so now last step for the lips. I'm going to be using the new, well, for me, I never tried this. It's a LA Girl, a Perfect Precision lip liner. I don't know the shade of this. Bear. That's the shade. This is the color. So I'm going to outline my lips. Ooh, this is buttery. Alright. Yeah, I really like this. I think it was $2.99. It's really buttery and creamy. Like, totally recommend this. I'll probably go back to Ulta and purchase more lipsticks like that. Lip liners like that. They have a couple different shades. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to use the Buxom Plumping lipstick in Boss. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh. I like this color. It's so creamy and a little tingly. Like, I can feel, it smells like chocolate mint, almost. And I can definitely feel the plumbing effect. I can feel the little tingles in it. It's not too drastic though. I really like that. So yeah, this is the finished look though, guys. What do you think? Comment down below. What do you guys think about this makeup look? I love it. This is like so me, like, I love makeup like this with the green and the lipstick, and it's just beautiful. I'm so happy with all the new products. Like, the only thing that I really didn't like is the mascara, and yeah, I think it was pretty much just the mascara, and I think this little thing, like, not my favorite. I mean, I definitely have to try it without the powder underneath. But, I mean, everything came out really good. Like, I'm obsessed with this makeup look, guys. I would totally recommend all the products. I think my favorite one is definitely the lipstick, the concealer, the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. These are, like, my new faves. You know, the lip liner. And, yeah. I would totally recommend this for you guys. And I'm definitely going to use these products more often in my videos now since I tried them. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my Instagram, which is me_Violet. And yeah, share this with your friends. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.